What's up guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from Binance to Revolut. So, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to open up the Binance app and log in into your account. Now from here, you want to go to your portfolio at the bottom right of your screen and click on the take out button you see at the top left. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to choose the option that says sell crypto. Now from here, we need to choose the crypto that you want to sell here because we want to cash out into our Revolut account. So for example, I have USDT here. Let's go and choose USDT. Now from here, you want to indicate how much you want to sell or the USDT amount that you want to sell here. Now in this case, just enter the amount here, and once you've entered the amount, it's going to allow you to select a receive method, which in this case, you just need to choose the banking way. In this case, just provide your banking details for Revolut, and from then on, you should be able to receive your funds. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.